Here's a harsh truth most people don't want to hear. Your skin isn't bad, your habits are. Look, if skincare was really useless, then why do the same people with clear, smooth skin get treated better everywhere they go? More respect, more attention, more confidence. Your brain notices it before you do, because clear skin doesn't just change how others see you, it changes how you show up. Psychologists call this the halo effect. When you look healthy and well-kept, people automatically assume you're disciplined, confident, and high value. And once you understand this, you'll realize why skin texture matters way more than people admit. But here's where it gets worse. Most people think perfect skin texture comes from genetics or expensive products. That's the biggest lie in skincare, because the truth is, your skin is a mirror of your daily behavior. And today, I'm breaking down the 7 proven steps that actually rewire your skin from the inside out. Step 1. Fix blood flow or forget everything else. Most people stop at face wash, and that's the mistake. Research from dermatology studies shows increased blood circulation improves collagen delivery and skin cell repair. Translation? Smooth texture, natural glow. Here's the thing, when blood flow is weak, your skin looks flat, dull, and uneven. So every night, after washing your face, apply a few drops of oil or moisturizer. Massage upward, jawline to cheeks, nose to temples, 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. You're not pampering, you're waking your skin up. And if that sounds small, good. Small habits compound faster than big promises. Step 2. Your gut controls your skin more than your cleanser. But here's the part nobody wants to admit. You can't outwash bad digestion. Studies in recent years have confirmed the gut-skin axis. When digestion is weak, inflammation rises, and inflammation equals rough texture, acne, and uneven tone. Start your mornings with warm water. Add lemon, add cucumber. Hydrate before coffee. This flushes toxins, supports liver function, and calms internal inflammation. Your skin doesn't need more products. It needs less stress inside your body. Step 3. Clean, but don't strip. Here's a psychology fact you're not ready for. Most people destroy their skin trying to fix it. Over-cleansing damages your barrier boundary, and once that barrier breaks, texture gets worse. According to dermatologists, barrier damage is one of the biggest causes of chronic roughness. Use the right cleanser for your skin type. Wash twice a day, no more. Clean doesn't mean tight. It means balanced. If your face feels squeaky dry, your skin is already in panic mode. Step 4. Your environment is sabotaging you. And this one hurts. Psychology says we underestimate small exposures, but your phone screen, pillowcase, and hands touch your face hundreds of times a day. That's bacteria, oil, and friction clogging pores. Change pillowcases twice a week. Clean your phone daily. Stop touching your face when you're stressed. This isn't hygiene advice, this is texture control. And if that hit you, good. It means you needed it. Step 5. Dehydrated skin can't reflect light. That's just physics. Recent skin hydration studies show well-hydrated skin cells appear smoother because they're fuller. Dehydration makes texture visible. Drink water consistently. Add coconut water. Add electrolytes. Reduce sugary drinks and excess caffeine. Glass skin isn't magic. It's hydration discipline. Step 6. Sleep is non-negotiable. Here's the painful part. Your skin repairs itself only when you sleep. Collagen production peaks at night. Cortisol drops. Cell turnover increases. No sleep, no smooth texture, no matter how expensive your routine is. 7 to 8 hours. Dark room, phone away. This is where skin actually changes. Step 7. Consistency beats motivation every time. And this explains why your skin hasn't changed yet. Your brain chooses comfort over consistency. You start strong, then quit after a week. But research shows visible skin texture improvement happens after 21 to 28 days of repeated habits. Not perfection, repetition. If you want perfect skin texture, stop chasing shortcuts. Massage daily, clean gently, hydrate deeply, protect your environment, sleep properly, and repeat for 21 days. Most people will ignore this and stay exactly where they are, but you won't. See you on the next video.